Fire Mountain Gems and Beads is proud to present stylish stringing, classy jewelry that anyone can make. This month, romance is in the air with this made with love necklace and dangle earring combination. This edible looking jewelry set features pink mountain jade and crazy lace agate gemstones strung like candy along clear accu-flex. The front closure necklace features a pewter love charm dangle and is finished with a large heart-shaped clasp, allowing the necklace to be worn in reverse for stylish flexibility. The bubblegum pink dangle style earrings are finished with the same love charm for flirtatious simplicity. This romantically inspired jewelry set is sure to satisfy your sweetheart's every desire. Make it as a gift, or add it to your professional line of jewelry designs. For full instructions on this and other classy jewelry that anyone can make, visit firemountaingems.com/stylish stringing.